Hey, Gary Baker here with 30 Minute Marketing. In this video, I want to share a few tools because at the end of the day, when you're selling online digital products, like you can see that I do here over at WarriorPlus, whether that be as an affiliate or as a vendor, each day that I make sales, there's a few tools that I use to complete these sales. And the three tools that I want to show you today are ProductDyno, GetResponse, and Groove. This is typically called Groove Funnels or Groove Pages, but it includes everything actually that you can get in GetResponse as well as in ProductDyno. But in all honesty, Groove.cm, as I'll show you in future videos, just hasn't matured enough yet for me to fully get rid of ProductDyno and GetResponse. So what does this look like? Well, you have customers or people on the internet that are going to be your customers. They land on a bonus page or you send them to a bonus page to check out a product that you're an affiliate for. In this case, we are starting with affiliate marketing and I use Groove.cm or Groove Pages and Groove Funnels to create my bonus pages and then add people to an email list or just send them over to the sales page, which I showed you over on WarriorPlus, where I'm both a vendor and an affiliate. But in this case, we're talking about affiliate marketing. And then they go over to ProductDyno. And in case of me as an affiliate, this is where I deliver the bonus that I promised over here on the bonus page. And I can either add those people on the internet or my new customers to my email list on GetResponse from my bonus page, or I can do it when they sign up to access the ProductDyno membership area, which houses the bonus. Again, adding them to my email list, which I can then use to follow up with the people on the internet that become my customers. That starts with Groove Pages or Groove Funnels and the fact that I create a bonus page. There's a link in the description. You can check out Groove Funnels, but the idea here is inside of Groove Pages and Groove Funnels, I am creating a page, and on that page, I am creating a link. In this case, simply when they click this green button, you can see here that I've edited this button to allow it to go to a URL, which is my affiliate link. Also, I use Groove Pages to create my own sales pages. In this case, I'm using Groove Pages to build a sales page for my own product. And when they click this green button, click here to get started today, you can see here that I've linked this out to WarriorPlus, where I'm selling this as a vendor. Of course, back over WarriorPlus, you can see here vendor daily stats as well as affiliate daily stats. And you take that into my actual account. And then under my account summary here from sales as a vendor, you can also see the money I've made here as sales as an affiliate on this marketplace here on WarriorPlus. Then of course, inside of ProductDyno, I actually deliver the product that I sell as a vendor, or the bonus that I give as an affiliate. Here you can see inside of ProductDyno, they have something called Business Intelligence, and it tracks your sales and revenue and refunds and everything that happens for all your products that you sell as a vendor. And here you can actually create products. In the case of First 100, you can see the 4 products that make up that product or that collection of products, which takes me to collections, which is just a subset inside of ProductDyno where you house all the products that you want to sell that you actually create a funnel for, and you sell all these products, as I've done here inside of the First 100 collection. Then you can see here inside of the collections, you actually add the products inside of the content designer, and each one of your products here is sold through the marketplace. In this case, of course, the customers, the people on the internet, go straight to the sales page. So in this case, I'm acting as a vendor, so we don't need the bonus page because our customers are going directly to our sales page. So those people on the internet that are our customers go directly to our sales page. Then once they make their purchase, they access the membership area inside of ProductDyno, and then they are added to our email list over at GetResponse. Of course, inside of ProductDyno, after you build out your collection, you go back into the collection settings and you integrate GetResponse. As you can see here, is integrated, meaning that ProductDyno knows or is connected to GetResponse via API. So anytime anyone purchases this product, they're automatically added over to my GetResponse email list. So as you can see here, they have access to log in to the ProductDyno. This is where I actually deliver the digital product. And then once they log in, they have access to each of the individual products. And inside each individual product are the actual training and or the files that they can download, and that is where the training is actually delivered inside of each section, inside of the account, inside of ProductDyno, housed inside of the collection for each product. Again, all these settings inside of collections which are collections of products that you see here that you create individually inside of ProductDyno. And then you can keep track of the sales here inside of the business intelligence dashboard inside of ProductDyno, as well as you're tracking the sales that you make over on WarriorPlus, because WarriorPlus is acting as the marketplace. It's acting as the go-between between you as a vendor and your affiliates, or you as an affiliate and the vendor that you're an affiliate of the product that you're selling to earn these affiliate commissions. So as you can see, I utilize ProductDyno, I utilize GetResponse, and I utilize Groove.cm. Of course, in the future, Groove.cm, the idea here is that this will be an all-in-one toolkit, and you actually won't need ProductDyno or GetResponse. But as of right now, I still use GetResponse to build out my email list, to hold and to actually run automations to my customers. As you can see here inside of automations and workflows, I'm following up with these customers with automated email sequences here inside of GetResponse. So as a vendor, when I find people on the internet that are going to become my customers and they land on my sales page, currently I'm using WarriorPlus for them to click the buy button. Then they come into ProductDyno. They have access to all the products that I sold them inside of their membership area, and then I follow up with them after I add them to my email list on GetResponse. And as you saw, that sales page was made inside of Groove Funnels or Groove Pages, which is Groove.cm. And Groove.cm is made up of Groove Pages, Groove Funnels, Groove Sale, Groove Affiliate, Groove Mail, Groove Member, Groove Video, Groove Blog, Groove Cart, Groove Webinar. And like I said, eventually I'll be able to do everything right here inside of Groove, sort of like a one-stop shop. But for now, I use Groove.cm for my bonus page and my sales pages. I use GetResponse for my email marketing, and I use ProductDyno to actually deliver my bonuses as an affiliate or as a vendor and create membership areas where people can download and access the training that I sell, as well as the individual products, the digital products that I house on ProductDyno. And those are the tools that I use to make money every day as a vendor and or as an affiliate, currently using this simple marketplace to use called WarriorPlus. And in the future, I'll be adding more videos here to the channel about WarriorPlus, about using ProductDyno, about using GetResponse, and using Groove.cm as I move towards Groove.cm to do the heavy lifting, so I don't actually need GetResponse or ProductDyno, and you'll see exactly how that transition occurs. But I wanted to make this quick video just to show you inside of a few tools that I use. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.